Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use fillet command in AutoCAD. As you can see that these lines are not joined here and there is some space over here. So we will use the fillet command, and the shortcut for the fillet command is F enter. As you can see, it is saying me uh, fillet. Select first object and I'll select this, and here you can see if I'm hovering my mouse to the second point, so it is automatically like joining the line. And if I press shift over here like this, if I click here like this, so the line is flat like this. And if I want to fillet this like this is the way I can use the fillet command in AutoCAD to connect lines. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.